Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mr. Addison once again of Property Hunter Ghana. I am in Old Ashongma. It's a semi-detached house. So this side is a 5-bedroom house and this is a 4-bedroom house. They all come with their own boys' quarters. So I just did a video of the 4-bedroom house and I want to take you through the 5-bedroom house. It's under construction, not completed yet. So you will see that the compound itself is all over the place, it's not completed. But I just want to give you an idea of what the guy is doing here. And what he says he wants to do is that for now he's holding on to the construction and he wants to wait for a potential buyer. So if you show interest in the house, then he will complete it according to your taste or whichever recommendation you add to the construction, and he will get it done. That is the main door, but the key is not available, so we'll pass through the back. But this is your entrance and the front porch there. There is no one in the house currently, so the place is a little in a mess, but I just want to show you what he's doing here and give you an idea, so that if you are interested, give me a call quickly. He said the price is very negotiable, so there's an initial price, but that price you can't definitely negotiate. Someone wrote on my video the other time that, Mr. Addison, why don't you just quote the price and stop the negotiation thing? In Ghana, you appreciate the fact that Ghanaians have a way of buying anything. The Ghanaian goes somewhere, whatever price you quote to him, he will ask for some sort of negotiation on the price. That's just how we do our stuff. This is the boys' quarters. There are some materials in there. Let me show you. As I said, the house is under construction, so you will see the place in a mess a little bit. He said, Mr. Addison, quote the price and stop with the negotiation and things like that. I said, listen, the price is negotiable because that's how Ghanaians buy stuff. When you go to Rome, you do what Romans do. In Ghana, you don't quote a price to someone and the person accepts it. No matter how low or high the price is, definitely with a Ghanaian, you have to negotiate on the price. So this is 1 bedroom and that should be the window, but the window is so low, you can enter through that side. So that should be the window, and this is the bedroom, quite a large one. And if you look here, you'll see the bath is under construction, so the things are yet to be put in there. The sanitary wares are yet to be put in there. This will be your closet. Okay, then let's go through this way. I'll show you the kitchen. Let me show you the hall first. So this will be your living and dining area. So this area will be your dining area, and this side will be your living area. So your TV will be on the wall somewhere there, and that is your main entrance. That's where we should have come through. So you have a very large living dining area. So let me show you how it will be like when you enter the hall. So when you enter the hall, this is what you see: the TV on the wall, the furniture around it like that, the dining in the corner there. And then you walk straight through. That will be your dining area. Okay, so this will be the kitchen. So you have the furniture being arranged. So if you should buy this house as it is now, or at this point, or if you show interest in this house at this point, then you get the chance to choose the type of furniture and things like that, and the arrangement and things like that. This will be the pantry. So you have a pantry, a small pantry here, not that big, but the kitchen itself is quite large. So there will be a lot of cabinetry all around. There are a lot of cabinetry space all around here. Quite a large kitchen. And it has 2 doors. So the door we entered through, and there is another door we are exiting. That is the room we entered into the house through. And this will be your guest washroom. Okay, so you have 1 room on the ground floor, the dining and the hall, and the kitchen on the ground floor. And then on the 2nd floor, you have 3 bedrooms, making 5 bedrooms. And then you have an extra room for a boys' quarters, someone who you want to help with around the house. Okay, so you have this area, these 2 rooms, this room and this one will share this washroom. So you have the bath and the toilet here, and then you have a space for a wardrobe or a storage space. Because the rooms here don't have inbuilt wardrobe. Okay, this one has an inbuilt wardrobe. Okay, but the other one doesn't have an inbuilt wardrobe, so you can use that space for storage. So you have one room here, and then you have another room here. So you can use this as a storage, or you can use this place as your laundry room. Instead of going down, you can do the laundry here, or you can just use it as a storage room. This is another room. This one doesn't have a inbuilt wardrobe. Okay, and then you have a family area at the top here, so you can put some furniture here, put a TV here, and you have a family area at the top here. And this will be your master bedroom. That is the third bedroom on this floor. So this will be your master bedroom. You have your bed somewhere there, and the wardrobe will be along this wall. And this will be the washroom. So the things are being fixed, as I said. If you're interested in this house, please give me a call quickly. It's a 5-bedroom semi-detached, and that is your compound. Quite a nice one. It's a 5-bedroom semi-detached. If you are interested, please give me a call. I think the wardrobe will be along this wall rather. So you have a large wardrobe, oversized one along this wall. Yeah. Okay. So if you're interested, please give me a call. Let's start negotiating on the price, and then you can talk to the owner quickly and see what you want to add or remove from the property as soon as possible. So my name is Mr. Addison once again. You have a nice time. Bye.